Play. Okay. Oh, that's just floating on water. If you know this technique, just let me know in comment box how we can do that. Okay. She's just making that. Okay, with marker. It's not floating. Okay, go slowly. Okay, you can add 2 on your play. What's that? Flip book? No, not flip book. Paper. Okay, what is making? I think 4. No, okay, focus. Just give him your old books and he can create something new. That's great. Focus. Play. Okay, what's that? Fire gun. Why it's making black? Okay. Adding some of the colors onto that. I don't know what that liquid names that. If someone knows, just let me know in comment box. Okay. Adding some more details to it so that it looks like, okay, now it looks like a little bit of 3D when the layers came. Okay, it looks like the fish are just floating on that aquarium. Oh, that's great. Looking like 3D now. Okay, let's see how it looks like from front. Framing it up. Oh, that looks too great. That layered work. Play. What's that? That was just a hand. Okay, they're painting. Oh, that looked too 3D. It looks like hand is having those type of details. Okay, that's great, bro. Making it look like 3D. Oh, it looks like they are not having heads. Okay, what's that?